This 2020 Forest River Cherokee Destination 39KR Quad Slide, 2 BDRM, 1.5 baths is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, slide-out, skylight, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.